Welcome back to another market update with Spiral Strategies, and today we'll be analyzing Bitcoin and Ethereum with one special pick at the end that our subscribers have done really well on, so stay tuned for that. Now, as you guys can see, we mentioned last week that this key level here at 71,000 was a really big resistance point, and we can see how that's kind of played out where on this downtrend line we've banged up right against $70,000 here, rejected right off it, blew down past 69,000, came back up to retest and is also rejecting. So we're most likely going to see another retest of some of these key lows. We do want to see it stay above these key levels here at 66,600, 66,000 and 65,000 as well. If we break below these key lows, we're going to expect to see a gap fill, retesting some of these key levels here, 64,000, hopefully staying above this $60,000 level. We'll draw a little bit of a trend line here where we do want to see this key level hold. So this is kind of what we're needing to see. We really don't want bearish market structure. If we kind of test these levels, we do want to see it create some positive market structure up against this trend line and come back and reclaim this level. What we're gonna not want to see, for those of you that are looking on a bearish side, is we don't want to see this kind of action and break down, and it's going to be a lot harder to come back and reclaim this level if we break down and start retesting some of these levels here at 62,000. So we'll need to see how this plays out, but at the moment, kind of in no man's land, going sideways, not too much to do other than wait for these levels to slow down and play out. We did mention that there was this level here, down here at 56,000, where it didn't tag our 50% level, so there is still that possibility that we end up coming back to break these lows, which is always a possibility. If everyone's got their stops here, this could be a big liquidity hunt. So that's not out of the question until we see some really strong closes above this kind of key level here. So until then, we're kind of just going sideways as we were expecting. However, if we can maintain this angle, if we can maintain this kind of area here, it's going to look pretty good. We're just going to be consolidating again on a higher time frame and then breaking out again. So multiple angles kind of at play here at the moment. So a lot to consider at the moment. Now we'll quickly head on into Ethereum. Not too much to talk about here. We did have that retest here at 3,500. Retesting this value high here. Looking to keep this kind of level here. We really want to see this hold 3,627. Bear volumes kind of increasing a little bit. However, the MACD is still quite bullish. So that's good to see as well. Now, the thing with Ethereum here is it does look pretty good short-term wise. However, this sell-off volume is what we don't really want to see. It is good that we retested, or we pretty much jumped right out of it. So that was good to see, retesting some of these key levels here. So overall, it did go up a bit too fast, but at the same time, with all this news of the Ethereum ETF coming out, looking good, holding strong. So hopefully this worst case scenario, we might see a retest back down here, but hopefully it's going to start ranging. Similarly with Bitcoin, just chilling around this 3,600 and $4,000 level. So we'll have to wait and see. That's on a 4-hour time frame as well. Quickly now going into our pick, which have high, which you can buy on Binance. Our subs got in here at $1.87.5, and they've done insanely well, up around almost 300%, sitting at about 260% here from the buy level. Now, we really like this chart because it was telling us all the signs that it was going to make a move higher. And higher did it go because over the course of the past couple of weeks, months, it has rallied a hell of a lot. Um, so our subscribers will be taking um, some profit levels here. We're setting them at about $7, which is going to be this high here. This is going to be our target here, so we're almost there. $7 is the main target temporarily. We are seeing some resistance levels up here heading up into $9, so not a bad area to take some profit. And then even scaling back in if we do retest back down here at $3 or $4. And then we are seeing higher targets as well, and that's going to be available uh, in our subscriptions. So guys, head on over to our newsletter if you want the latest updates and the latest analysis on this as well. Now, this was really cool to see because we had a really nice Fibonacci retracement come in where we got in at sub 618 fib. Now, we're actually looking really, really good on a 3-day chart, even on a weekly chart. We're now creating some really awesome market structure. We have a really cool head and shoulders type pattern working here as well, and I'll quickly show you guys that here. So I've got this kind of really bad but nice neckline with a strong break on a 3-day or on a weekly above the breakout of this neckline, and we can really see this start the bull move heading into our next targets, which is going to be around 10, 11, and 12. Um, so yeah, keep your eyes posted out on that one as well. The biggest area of concern is the $6 to $9 area. So we're going to see a lot of resistance here, and hopefully get a small retrace. We're expecting a retrace back to the Wyckoff around here at $4.70. That's going to be a main reaccumulation price point, and then heading back down into this hopefully $3 area where if we get a retest, a deep retrace of 61.8, that's going to be another key level. We'll look to have our subscribers re-enter as well. But that is all for now, guys. That was the pick of the day, which is high, HIGH. In terms of market cap, I believe it sits at around 300 million. Last time I checked on CoinGecko, that could have changed. Subscribers that got in, it was around 50 million, so made a significant move. Bull volumes is declining, and so that's why on a weekly we are kind of looking to trim here at 7. So even on a 3-day here, you can see the bull volume is declining a little bit. So as that's to be expected, we're going to see some resistances up here. But yeah, we'll keep you guys updated for those of you that are fully subscribed. And that'll be it for today, guys. If you guys enjoyed that, please like, share, and subscribe. Alright, peace.